Alright, for this video, we're going to be doing the zigzag stitch. Alright, so here is the loom. I got that anchor peg on there. Oh, hold on, I dropped my string. See, are there other names? Okay, it's called the zigzag stitch. Now, how this stitch turns out, not zigzaggy at all. As you can see, it's a bit wider than some of these other stitches, and it's thick enough. It's not super thick, and it's a very stretchy stitch. So that's how that turns out. So I'll have that hold up in the background, and to read this, good spot to pause this and screenshot it if you want, if you're watching from a mobile device. To do this, you just follow the pattern down, follow the pattern up. That's how you do this stitch. So for a cast on, oops, you're just going to follow the pattern, this top part, as seen. Oops. We're not skipping any pegs. We're picking them all up, but in a zigzag fashion. So there we go. You see how that matches? Now at this point, I want to push all those down. Now our second pass, you're going to go up, and we are just following that same pattern. There's no differences in this one. See, it's your first two rows. Now I always like to start with that last peg, because that will help lock that in. Alright, so we're going to finish the cast on. You just go, however long you do this, take that bottom peg, that bottom loop, yeah, we'll call it loop, the bottom loop over top the top loop, all the way down. However you like to do it best. You can go all the way down one side and all the way down the other side, or you can go back and forth. Honestly, it doesn't make a difference. So we got the one side done. We're going to flip it over and do the second side. Your first few rows doing this are going to feel just very loose. That is normal, so don't worry about that. So there you go. That is your cast on for this. And now the cast off for something like this, it would actually, I would do the sewn cast off, I guess. There's a bunch, you can pick any cast off you want to do. But when you're dealing with these different types of rake stitches, what you want to remember is, first, make sure the string is 3 times the length of the loom. So take the string, wrap it around the loom, all the way around it 3 times, and cut. If you're doing like a sewn cast off, you just follow your pattern. You know, you would you'd pull the string through that peg 2 times, through that loop 2 times, pull the string through this loop 2 times, then go up here, pull the string through this loop 2 times. Keep going back and forth, just like your normal sewn cast off. And that's how you would do that. But here is the stitch. This is a zigzag stitch. I hope that helps. Thank you.